Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I've got an unbagging for you. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Whether you're new or you've been with me for a long time, I appreciate each and every one of you. Please continue to like, comment. I love reading your comments. And yeah, hit that like button because it helps get my channel out there for others to see. But I just hope that everyone is having a great holiday season so far. And let's get into this bagging. All right, this comes to me from DPClubs, and they sent me a few items, and I'm going to just grab in here. So I did get one of these because I thought maybe it'd be easier to flatten out my diamond paintings after I unroll them. So this is just called a Corrector Tool, and it was $2.99. And they come in different sizes, but I got the biggest one. This is a 10-inch. So a lot of people, the correctors are for, like, you know, to help line up your drills when you get done. But a lot of us has been using it to flatten out the plastic on top of the canvases. I do it, I do my arm across it. If y'all been with me for a while, you see I always do my arm across it. And then after I get done with the video, and I'm sitting here getting ready to put them into my stash book, that's when I get the that small white corrector tool, and I'll flatten it out. But I think this would probably be better because it's bigger, and I can just go bam, one whack, and it's done. So there's that. And like I said, that was $2.99 on DPClubs. All right, and I'm just going to grab, and we're going to just look at them. All right, so this is a 30 by 40, I do believe. Yes, it's a 30 by 40. Comes with your standard toolkit, boat, pen, and wax. You get one of these in every diamond painting. Some might be different, but that's the standard one. This is poured glue. This is a full round. Here's the drills. I'm not going to go into them because I've got too much to show. But as you can see, I know my lighting is kind of janky right now. But we've got grays and purples and pinks, different shades of blues, different shades of purples. There's some orange and black. And it does have the DMC numbers on the bags of drills. If y'all can see that. There's $7.98. There's $5.54, $5.18, $4.13. I'm going to have to adjust my light. So there's the drills that come with it. And what I got was this, which I thought was very cute. Move that out of the way. Just flatten this out just a little bit more. So this is the canvas that I got. And like I said, this is a 30 by 40. It has 23 colors. DMC is listed on both schematics on the top left, bottom right. And you can see that it's very clear. Let's see. And sticky is really good on it. So this is called Big Eye Doll, and this was $5.79 on DPClubs. But I just thought she was so pretty because you've got the rainbowed colored butterflies. You got one there, and you got one over here, and then she's got butterfly like things on her dress. She's got a butterfly in her hair. Plus, she has butterfly wings. And then she's got the different color streaks on the front of her hair. I just thought it was really cute. And I liked that it was very colorful. So, there's that one. We'll set that over there. Alright, this next one is a, well, I'm not sure. I thought it was different. So, it also comes with a regular standard toolkit. There's the bags of drills. Well, the canvas is very flexible. And you can see it's these little tiny bags of drills. These hold 200 drills in each bag. Lots of colors. Very nice. And this right here, you can see that right there. That's why I don't like these little bags. Is because the way that they stamp them, most of the time the numbers are scratched off and you can barely tell what they are, or they get printed oddly and you barely can tell what they are. See what I mean with those? So this is the canvas that I got. This is a little 30 by 30. Just a little small one. But, like I said, it's different. And I like the colors. But it says 2024. And there were different ones to pick from this. There was different ones to choose from. It's got 18 colors. And DMC numbers are listed. There's a schematic on both sides. There's the thumbnail. Boy, I'm really going to change this lighting. So this is called Colorful New Year. And this one was $4.99. So very cute. Alright, so the last thing that I got is another canvas, but this one is a special. Let's see. I thought it was cute. Normal standard toolkit. Here's the crystals. We'll look at these in a minute. But this is what I got. And there's several of these that you can choose. And this is a 40 by 40. And this is going to be quick because there's not that much to do on here. There's 11 gems. And you can see they've got their code numbers on here. But, yep, not a lot to do on this. But this one I thought was cute. And it's only sticky where you need to put the drills. But I thought it was cute. And this one, it's got the books. Let's see, it's got a kids loft. Antique treasures. So I just thought this one was cute. But there was different ones. There was like a bakery, I think. And then there was a coffee, a bookstore, or no, candy store. I don't know. There was so many different ones. But I liked this one. I thought it was cute. And this is called Christmas Cabin. And this was $6.79. But I wanted to look at these. Like I said, there's only 11 of them. Alright. Hopefully y'all can see these. So there's like a brownish orange. We've got green. We've got a yellow. And we've got a small that is pretty much the same color as the big one. It's just smaller. And we got a blue, and then we've got regular black. We've got some clear. We've got almost a red-orange. We've got green, a red, and then another red that's just a little bit bigger. So, not a ton of colors in this, but like I said, there's not that much to do on it. But I thought it was cute. And being that I like doing miniatures, I thought it was cute. And I don't think I even showed y'all. That is like super, super sticky. And the background looks really good. Really good. Alright, so this is what I got from DPClubs. Let me know what you think is your favorite. I like them. I like the colors in them. Of course, I like colorful canvases. And then I got that. But not too bad. And like I said, the correctional tool, this was $2.99, but there was different sizes. This is the 10. I think this one was the biggest one they carry, and then it goes all the way down to like a 2 or 3 inch corrector tool. And then the Big Eye doll was $5.79. 2024 was $4.99, and then the cabin was $6.79. So what do y'all think? Leave me a comment, let me know. And I just want to say thank you to DPClubs for sending these to me. I so appreciate it. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.